Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. When is the RBNZ and how it could affect NZD USD? http ntvforex.com news ID DF34FB 5 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Early Wednesday at 0200 GMT. Market sees the key monetary policy decision by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand RBNZ. Having initially turned down the bears, New Zealand's central bank is anticipated to adopt a dovish tone amid the latest coronavirus COVID-19 woes. However, Governor Adrian Orr and the company isnâ famed for pleasing the bears, which in turn makes todayâ's release of quarterly monetary policy statement, followed by NBSP Governorâ's press conference around 0300 GMT, as an important event. It should be noted that the RBNZ is widely anticipated to keep the benchmark interest rate unchanged at 0.25% but may signal changes to its large-scale asset purchases LSAP NBSP during todayâ's meeting. Ahead of the event, Australia and New Zealand banking group ANZ said, "The return of community transmission on our shores moves the risks dial even more in favour of our view that the RBNZ will look to do more rather than less, signaling they will do whatever is necessary to support the economy." Attention will also be on what the RBNZ says about other tools. "We think they will keep their options open on all fronts," adding to dovishness. Also joining the Bears League is TD Securities that said, "For the August 12 meeting, we are expecting the RBNZ to announce an increase in the size of the LSAP program from NZ$60 billion to NZ$78 billion and for the program to be extended to August 21. The RBNZ could also announce an alternative set of measures to reduce the cost of funding. NBSP. How could it affect NZD USD? With the recent virus resurgence in the Pacific Major, NZD USD stands on a slippery ground near 0.6570, down 0.11% on a day, before the RBNZ on Wednesday. Also exerting downside pressure on the pair could be uncertainty surrounding September month election in New Zealand. NTForex's Yohai Elam says, the RBNZ is set to leave rates unchanged but hint about future policy and provide new forecasts. While recent economic performance has been upbeat, headwinds to the global economy remain prevalent, potentially triggering a dovish stance that may weigh on NBSP NZD USD. Technically, the pair's sustained break of an ascending trend line from March, at 0.6600 now, drives the quote further down towards a 50-day SMA level of 0.6544. However, the mid-July bottom near 0.6500 could restrict the pair's further weakness. On the contrary, a falling trend line from July 31, currently around 0.6670, adds to the upside barriers for the pair in a case where RBNZ offers a positive surprise. Keynotes NZD USD drops to fresh 3-week low under 0.6600, eyes RBNZ preview ending NZD USD's recovery attempt. Dovish stance on QE and coronavirus may weigh about the RBNZ interest rate decision and rate statement. The RBNZ interest rate decision is announced by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. If the RBNZ is hawkish about the inflationary outlook of the economy and raises the interest rates, it is positive, or bullish, for the NZD. The NBSP RBNZ rate statement contains the explanations of their decision on interest rates and commentary about the economic conditions that influenced their decision. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.